Hello, my name is Sun-Hee. It was a great honor to be invited here today. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today, I'm going to introduce me, my research field, and my interesting research, which is studying. Firstly, I received a PhD at the Jeonnam National University at 2011 years. After that, I worked on DB groups of the Carnegie Mellon University as the postdoctoral researcher during 2 years. Now, I'm working as the research professor at the Department of Artificial Intelligence on the Korean University. And my research field is biosignal processing, data mining, machine learning, deep learning, and pattern recognition. Next is about my research background. Actually, I'm interested in the study of artificial emotional intelligence. That is, I'm trying to develop a technology that AI detects understanding and react about the emotion like humans. This technology called the artificial emotion intelligence. Artificial emotion intelligence is a combination of the artificial intelligence and emotional intelligence. That is, artificial intelligence is a simulation of humans' intelligence process by machines, especially computer systems. And the emotional intelligence is the ability to perceive, express, understand, and regulate emotions. Therefore, artificial emotional intelligence is a technology to understanding by measuring an emotion of humans, recognize and learn the emotion, and react through simulation. Artificial emotional intelligence is to read and react to emotions through text, voice, gesture, facial expression, physiological signals, and potential information about person context. In other words, artificial emotional intelligence can be said technology to detect, learn, and interact with humans' emotion. Then use affective computing and artificial intelligence technology. Artificial emotional intelligence can be said to be truly complete when the major core technologies are added up as the emotion recognition, emotion generation, and emotion augmentation. Among these, emotion recognition is to detect and recognize of humans' emotion with the incorporation of technological capabilities such as facial recognition, speech and voice recognition, biosensing, machine learning, and pattern recognition. And emotion generation is synthesizing emotion on the machine. Synthesizing emotion is machine seems to have real emotion or seems to have similar internal mechanism with the emotions of humans or animals. Finally, emotion augmentation is to applied generated the emotions through planning and reasoning of artificial intelligence. Emotion augmentation is the ability to augment and strengthen the emotions. So far, the research on AEI has majorly focused on emotion recognition and emotion generation for conversation agents or robots. Between them, emotion recognition research is the most actively researched technology among the three core technologies. Emotion recognition technologies attempt to identify how a human subject is feeling based on their facial expression and bodily cue, including heart rate and brain activity. That is, emotion recognition is technology that recognize emotions through facial expression, speech recognition, gesture recognition, and biometrics using core technologies of artificial intelligence, such as deep learning, neural network, and big data. This emotion recognition is important to area of research of unable effective human-computer interaction. Emotion recognition system can adapt their response and behavioral patterns according to the emotion of humans and make the interaction more natural. For emotion recognition, developers and researchers has been advancing artificial intelligence to not only create a system that think and act like humans, but also detect and react to humans' emotions. Then, how can this system recognize emotions? Emotion recognition is based on the core AI technologies such as deep learning and big data. As shown in the figures, we are improving the accuracy of emotion recognition through facial expression, voice and motion and gesture, and text recognition. In addition, brain signal and skin temperature, electrocardiogram, and eye tracking are used to recognize human emotions. Then, where is emotion recognition technology using begin used? In fact, it is already being used effectively in many industries. In particular, we are expanding service area by utilizing emotions recognition technology in the mobility field. In case of automotive, emotion recognition can be used for the increased road safety, augmented operation of autonomous car based in car experience and automated personalization by calculating the emotional state of the driver. In the field of medical and healthcare, emotional recognition technology is used to help people who need constant help by diagnosing not only physical health, but also mental health conditions such as autism, dyslexia, depression, stress, and dementia. Emotion also play an important role in the marketing and advertising. In other words, it is used to identify users' mood or emotional state and target them to have a greater impact on a particular advertisement or marketing campaign. In addition, by predicting the customer's mood through emotion recognition technology at the call center or customer support center and suggesting a conversation or solution to their employee. It is being used to help customers have satisfying experience. Based on this research background, I performed the various projects as the chief of research. Firstly, I progressed the project that is to develop the lazy state cognitive technology of driver using EEG signals during 3 years. As the result, I published the 6th paper of SCIE levels and 2 conference papers. Second is I studied about the real-time adaptive emotional intelligence technology using multimodal brain signals for 3 years as the chief of research. Based on this project, I published the 10 papers that is the SCIA levels. Thirdly, I'm studying about the development of emotional communion intelligence technology for predicting and healing of mental health state as the chief of research from 2021 years. Through this project, I published the two papers of the SCIE levels on the last years. So far, I have briefly introduced my research content. Also again, I would like to thank you to International Research Awards on Statistical Methods for analyzing engineering data for providing this opportunity. Thank you.